Hello, in this video we are going to learn box plot. So box plot is a SeaBorn Python library, one of the SeaBorn Python library for data visualization. So a box plot shows the distribution of data in the form of boxes. The shape of box plot shows how the data is distributed, and it also shows any outliers. Here outliers means abnormal values. Abnormal values means some column values are higher and some column values are way lower than the other column values. So if you find that column values if you draw the box plot, you can find out that abnormal values are outliers. Okay, so main box plot uses, it identifies the outliers in the graph, abnormal values. Okay, it is useful way to compare different sets of data, as you can draw more than one box plot per graph. So with an example we will draw the box plot here. Okay, with an example, so we will take this data set here, auto mpg.csv data set. Here we have to write a Python program to display box plot by taking country of origin on x-axis and acceleration and y-axis. Okay, we have to take x-axis on origin and y-axis acceleration, and we have to find out which country of origin having lowest acceleration. Okay, we have to find out which country of origin having lowest acceleration. So if you take this mpg dot set, here year of origin is there, and cylinders, SeaBorn has the origin here. Okay, is 1 2 3 here means SeaBorn has this data set here, mpg data set. We will import the data set from the SeaBorn. Okay, and also to create box plot we have to import these both packages, matplot library package, SeaBorn package. In SeaBorn package box plot function is there, we have to import that function. Okay, using this package alias name. First we have to load this data, load the mpg data set using load underscore data function from the SeaBorn SNS. Okay, so mpg is equal to load underscore data set. So sns dot load underscore data set, right? And there is mpg here. Okay, mpg. So we will get the origin and acceleration. See, we got the data set here, mpg data set. Here origin is USA and Japan, USA, Europe is there. USA, Japan, Europe, and acceleration. So we have to take the x-axis on origin and y-axis acceleration. We have to find which country has lowest acceleration. Okay, so if you want to find unique origin values, just use here df symbol. Df is equal to mpg. Okay, origin column here, origin dot unique. If you want to see what are the unique values in the column, just use this simple method, this unique method here. So df, it returns an array object. So USA, Japan, Europe. Okay, only three we have to have. Origin has unique USA, Japan, Europe column values, and we have to find the which country origin has the lowest acceleration by taking acceleration y-axis. So for that we have to take the box plot function from the SNS. Okay, SeaBorn, there is a box plot function is there. In box plot function we have to pass three parameters. One is which data set we are using. We are using mpg data set here. And next thing, x-axis we are taking origin, and y-axis we are taking acceleration. Okay, acceleration on y-axis, right? And also we are plotting x label and y label. Labels means x label means we are giving some, we have to give some names, origin x label, and x label name is origin, and y label is name is y label means acceleration here. Naming the labels. Okay, on the graph you have to name some labels. So on x-axis we are naming the origin, and y-axis we are naming the acceleration, right? Just use show method to show the graph. Just execute it. See, observe the plot. See, these are the box plots here. Observe here. Okay, observe. If you want USA or USA here, Japan, Europe. Okay, origin on the x-axis, acceleration y-axis. By seeing this graph, which origin has lowest acceleration, which country has lowest acceleration. Here obviously USA has lowest acceleration. Okay, because compared to Japan and Europe, here USA showing lowest acceleration here compared to Japan and Europe. And if your acceleration is low, mileage also will be low. Okay, So like that, you have to use. So there is no outliers, okay, because if outliers are there, they show like a data points, dot points, okay. So but there are no outliers here, means there are no abnormal values in the data set here. Simple, right? So mostly box plot used to draw the relation between the two columns and to finding the outliers, abnormal values. So that's it about the box plot, and next video we will see the scatter plot.